Hey everyone, today I will be unboxing the Batman the Drown from the Dark Metal series. Please follow our Mercari account and my socials and join the Discord that are in the description. When I first take it out of the box, this is how it is protected, with standard styrofoam with tape. On one of the side, it shows which out of the 5,000 of statues I have. I happen to have number 1939. This is how it is packed. Everything is covered pretty good except for the trident. The package come with the standard small silica gel pack, one stand, and the statue itself. Taking her out of the styrofoam and taking off the plastic that is covering her is simple. I wanted to make sure I was handling her with care, so that is why it may seem like I was struggling because I was being extra careful. Now I'm inspecting and will be showing you from top to bottom for the front and back. The colors of her outfit is mainly black, green, and red, and the statue has some golden brown. The trident is gold. The top of the stand is black and silver. If you can't see the top, it says DC Collectibles 1939 out of 5,000. Manufactured in China, TM and DC Comic S19. The back has a nice red and black design on the bottom of the stand. I would like to show you how the statue looks from different angles, far away and up close. The statue is about 7.9-inch high and it is about 20.06 cm. The statue is made out of polyresin. She comes complete with her own trident and cape and has the flowing hair of a submerged and vengeful dark knight. Some information on this statue: it is based on art by Greg Capullo, sculpted by Adrian Smith. This is a little backstory of the statue. Walking into our world from the pages of Dark Knight's Metal comes a nightmarish fusion of gender-flip Batman and Aquaman the Drown. Bruce Wayne came from Earth-11 and harbored a deep hatred of Atlanteans for their role in death of her beloved Sylvester Kyle. In a quest to avenge Kyle, she spliced her DNA with that of Atlanteans, becoming a super-powered Dark Knight capable of breathing and fighting underwater. Here are some different angles of how she looked like on the stand, and I will be showing you how the box looked like. I bought this statue at the mall at a store called Legend Comics and Games. I am very happy with this statue and I'm very happy with my purchase.